Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to fix TikTok. This effect doesn't work with this device. For example, if you open a TikTok and simply you want to open videos and want to upload videos with an effect, and you click on that effect and it shows this effect doesn't work with this device, then how you can fix that? So you have to simply close the TikTok app, and after that what you have to do, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply go to setting, and after that you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll down and you have to click on iPhone storage. Here in iPhone storage you can find all the apps. Here you have to click on the TikTok app. The first thing you have to do is you have to simply click on offload app, which means you have to clear all the data from your app. And after that what you have to do next is you have to go back, and after going back you have to simply open the App Store. In App Store what you have to do, you have to simply search the TikTok and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not, because many effects do not work on TikTok because of the lower version of the TikTok. So here you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your TikTok, and after updating you have to simply check whether your problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply restart your device and turn it on again, and after turning on, hope your problem will be fixed. Hope you have liked this video. Can you subscribe our channel?